Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was just sitting here waiting for my other video to load, so this might be a little bit overkill, but this would be a neat design for a logo with anything. When you click on this, your rotation's in the center. It's just a circle or ellipse. We're going to put the rotation right there. We're using the transformation Docker rotation 10 degrees, 36. I'm using the same numbers as I had before. I mean, look at that already. But look at this. If you took it all and you simplify it, that would be a cool design for a logo. You could put the people's name in there. Of course, I draw everything in hairline, and I'm actually using somebody else's page because it's CMYK, and I can't. I need to shut it down and start over. But you turn it to black, and then turn it to 3 points. Let's make it a little bit, it's pretty big, I think. Let's make it 4 points. I didn't hit black. I mean, look at that. That would be a pretty cool logo for anybody. You could put that deal at the bottom. Let your imagination run with it. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.